Hello everyone. Let's see how to connect Ethernet IP Edge I/O NTS. To follow this tutorial, you will need a soft D-Pack Linux. If you don't know how to install one, please watch our video called How to Install a Soft D-Pack on Linux. First, connect the Edge I/O NTS to an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and enter the address 10.10.Mac5.Mac6. These numbers correspond to the last 2 bytes of the device's MAC address. Enter the following credentials. User, security admin. Password, AAAAAAAA. You will be asked to change the password. Enter a new one, then click Login. Next, go to Manage the configuration and click Scan and Create configuration. This will automatically detect the island and generate its configuration. Now let's configure the island. Select the header to access the settings. Set the island's IP address. Choose Ethernet IP as the implicit communication protocol. Here's a little tip: if you can't choose Ethernet IP, you can go to Island Setup, Edit Settings, and enable Ethernet IP and apply. Then select each module one by one to configure the channel settings. Once everything is configured, build the configuration. Then download the configuration to the NIM. The configuration is now saved and can later be imported into EAE build time. Now open EAE build time. In the Physical Devices pane, drag the corresponding Edge I/O island into your project. Configure its IP address with the same value you set earlier on the web server. Right-click the Edge I/O island and open the configuration editor. Verify that the configuration of each module is correct, then save. Next, go to the hardware configuration in EAE build time. Add a new master, HW-CAT. Then add EIP Scanner 2. Right-click EIP Scanner 2 and open the communication wizard. Add the detected island to the list. All modules that make up the island will now be available for assigning symbolic links. That's it. Now you know how to connect Ethernet IP Edge I/O NTS.